Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can make video call on Telegram application. Okay guys, let's get into it. First of all, let's just open the Telegram application on our phone. Then we're going to select the contact that we want to call, and you can select the contact right here. But if you cannot find the contact you want to video call, you can just search for the contacts on the search button. And for example, I'm going to search for this contact. So just tap on the contact, and after the room chat between you and the contact has been opened, you can click on the three dots button guys. Then you can simply tap on the video call option to start the video call like this. Okay, then once you're done, you can click on this end call. And alright guys, that's how we can start video call or make video call on Telegram application. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.